Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a simple, easy recipe.
Today we're making a stir fry with tofu puffs, served with enoki mushroom sauce.
So first you preheat a wok at medium heat. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So today we're doing tofu puffs. So these are really nice. They're already cut up for you. So here you have 160 grams of tofu puffs. So just put that in the wok. I'm just going to do a quick stir fry with these tofu puffs. So this is a real simple dish. It's just the tofu puffs, and we're going to make a little sauce with the enoki mushroom. So these puffs are already cooked, so they don't need too much cooking. Just going to warm up the puffs, just heat up the puffs to the inside. So I'm going to take the tofu puffs up now, put it on a plate. So there you have the tofu puffs. So we're ready for step 2. So put a little more oil in there, maybe a tablespoon or so. I got 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic. So the ginger I don't cut up very small, I just cut it in slices. So put a few cloves of garlic, you can just smash it up if you like. So just give that a quick sear. You're going to get a lot of flavor infused from the garlic and the ginger. So today we're using enoki mushrooms. So these are the Japanese stringy mushrooms. So the enoki mushrooms, you have to cut off the ends here. So this whole piece is on the end. I'm just going to cut it off and throw it out. I got 1 package here. It's 7 ounces, 200 grams.
Be sure to rinse the enoki mushrooms in cold water before cooking.
So next, you're just going to give that a quick stir fry and infuse the flavors of the ginger and the garlic into the mushrooms. So next you're going to put a cup of water in there. You're going to bring that to a boil. In the meantime, you're going to put about a teaspoon of sesame oil, put a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Oyster sauce goes really well with this dish, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of Chinese oyster sauce. So just mix all the ingredients together. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/3 of a cup of water. I'm just going to put that in to thicken the sauce. So you might put more or less depending on how thick the sauce is. I'm just going to put a little bit of this Himalayan pink salt. Adds a lot of nice natural flavor. You can use other salt if you like. I'm going to put about ½ a teaspoon in there. So give that a final mix. This is a nice rich sauce. So you put all the mushrooms in the center. So make sure you cover the sides with some sauce. Just let it overflow. There you have it. Tofu puff stir fry with enoki mushroom sauce. Enjoy.